Welcome to our Sunday class, the beginning of a new week. Very thrilled to have such a nice large group almost every day now, and you really represent our most loyal learners, and it's evident in the progress you're making with your Hebrew. So let's dive right in, as we always do, with a quick review of the alphabet. And a quick review of the vowels. And then today we're going to dig in a little bit more deeply into the vowels and share some secrets about the vowels which will help you in your pronunciation. So Maria, without any further ado, if you would kindly go through the letters for us, and will benefit from your recitation. Yeah, I'm sharing. Go
The whole
ahead.
page?
No, it's just part of it. I'll scroll down as we go.
Okay. Olive. Is it ah?
We don't have to even pronounce right now. We'll just do the names of the letters.
Okay. Olive. Olive. Aren't they all olive?
Let me bring up the cursor. Make sure we're all on this. If everybody could mute their audio except for Maria, it would be very helpful for the presentation. Maria, do you see the alphabet table on your screen now?
Yeah.
So it's Aleph, Bet, and so forth.
Well, I just see olive.
Aleph.
Okay. I'll go through it and we'll continue. Aleph. Does everybody see the full alphabet, Gideon? Could you unmute and confirm
No.
these?
I just see, it says long vowel, short vowel.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. How about now?
There we go.
Hey,
There
you can see.
Joseph, probably, that's great. Let's go for it, Maria. Thank you.
Okay. Olive, bet, gimel, dollar, hey, they, bev,
Vav.
vav,
Good.
valet,
Zion. Slow down. Zion.
het,
Het.
tet,
Good.
Uid,
Nice. Continue.
chaf,
So when there's a dot inside the backward C, it's a kaf.
haf,
And then without a dot, it's your chaf.
haf,
Nice. And your chaf sofit.
haf, sofit,
Well done.
lamed,
Nice.
mem,
Good.
mem, so noon,
Yep.
noon, sofit, samet,
Nice.
ayun,
Ayin,
ayin,
which actually means I. Okay. Continue.
hey,
Nice.
hey, sofit,
Well, we have a pay with the dot inside. Then when the dot goes away, it's a fey.
say,
And then we have our fey sofit.
say, sofit,
Great.
can't see that one, tough,
Sadi
sadi,
and Sadi sofit.
sadi, sofit,
Right.
kuf,
Right.
reish,
Great.
shin,
Shin,
sin,
Sin,
and tosh,
Tav.
Oh,
tog.
Well done. Very nice. Every day we review the vowels quickly to reinforce our memory of the pronunciation. The vowels are found in this table here. If you don't have this presentation of the vowels, let me know and I can share it with you. Amos, I think you have it. Gideon, I'm pretty sure you have it at this point.
Yes, I have them.
Right. Let me bring the cursor in for everybody's convenience. Starting from the right-hand side of the page, we'll go through the vowels together. Let me make sure, is everybody seeing the vowels on the page now? I believe we're good to go here.
Yes.
Okay. Kamats,
Amat.
patach,
Kamats. Patach.
patach, sere,
Patach.
Sere.
segol,
Serol.
shva.
Shiva.
Nice. Cholam,
Cholam.
well done. Shuruk,
Shuruk.
kubutz.
Kubutz.
Nice. Chirik,
Chirik.
well done. Let's fully understand that we need to combine a vowel with a letter. Here you have a paradigm for the combination of a consonant with a vowel. You can't just have a vowel all by itself. You need to combine it with a letter. And in this case, we're combining a kamats with an aleph, and this is the proper presentation of a vowel and a letter. And as usual, we just quickly have a look at the aleph as our example, and kindly do mute your audio if you're not presenting, just so we have a nice, clean production. We have the aleph with its vowels, and Gideon, if you would lead us in that presentation of the pronunciation of the aleph with its vowels, we'd be very grateful.
A.
Ah,
O.
O,
U.
U,
A.
A,
E.
E. Nicely done. Now we are going to move on to some new letters. For some of you, these won't be new. For some of you, they may be, as we've just begun a new cycle of the 22 letters of the Hebrew alphabet. Yesterday, we began again with Aleph. Today, we continue with the letter Bet. Bet makes the B sound like boy, and it's pronounced normally with its vowels as Ba, Boo. Amos, would you like to unmute and I can recite with you these pronunciations? Let me know when you're
Yes, I can.
oh,
When I can.
okay, very good. All right, let me bring them. Okay, if you'd repeat after me, Ba,
Ba,
good. Boo,
boo,
well done. Bo,
bo,
Be,
be,
and B.
be.
Okay. Now, Thomas, keep your audio on. We're going to keep you working for us here. Doing a great job. Remember these sounds. You won't have the benefit now of the English hints.
There's a lot of noise.
Yeah, okay. Joseph, would you be kind enough to recite the bet with its vowels for us?
Yes. Ba. Boo.
Let's try that second one again. Oh, hold on a second. Sorry. Okay, let's try again. Ba.
Ba.
Right.
Be.
Good.
Ba.
Good.
Be.
Well done. Continue.
Boo.
Good.
Ba. Sorry.
Second
Sorry.
line. That's okay.
Sorry. Be.
B.
Boo.
Boo.
Ba.
Well done. Gideon, you want to take a couple of lines, please?
Yes. That is
Bo.
B. Bo. Bo.
Right. Well done. Bo. Yes.
Then ba.
Right.
Bo.
Right.
Boo.
Good.
Bay.
Well done.
Boo.
Well done.
Bay.
Nice.
Bo.
Great. Finally.
B.
Yes.
Bo.
Right.
B.
Right.
Bay.
Great. Now, if we take the dot out of the bet, it turns into a vet. Let me get my cursor highlighted here for us real quick. Maria, I'll ask you to recite the vet with its vowels for us, please.
Ba.
Va. Nice.
Boo.
Good.
Bo.
Well done.
Bay.
Nice.
Bee.
Very good. Let's try some vet practice, Maria. I'm going to bring the cursor up here. And hi, Margaret. Welcome.
Hi to you. Thanks.
Maria, you take a turn and then we'll give Margaret a turn.
Ba.
Nice. Next.
Me.
Close. They're all going to be vets. We just have to recognize the different vowel sounds. In this case, it's the tsere makes the A sound. So they. Good. Next.
Ba.
Well done.
Bay.
So be careful if there's only one dot, it's an E sound.
Bee.
Let's review again. This one is
Day.
they, and this one is
Bee.
nice. Continuing, please.
Vous.
Bee.
Right. Very good. Vu. This one's your friend.
Bay.
One dot or two.
Bee.
There you go. Well done.
Boo.
Nice.
Ba.
Well done. Margaret, would you be kind enough to help us with a recitation? So when there, well done, vo. When there's a dot above the letter, it makes the O sound, vo. Well done. Continue.
Va.
Nice.
Vou.
Well done.
Vous.
Beautiful. Continue kindly. So two dots underneath the letter, even with this extra U, it always makes the A sound.
Veille.
Nice.
Vous.
Nice.
Veille.
They. Great.
Vou.
Well done. One more line kindly.
V.
That's right, V.
Vó.
Vo.
V. Vó.
It's your old friend the V. It's still that single dot under the letter makes the east sound, so it's a V.
V.
Nice. And lastly,
V.
well
V.
done. Well done, Maria, Margaret. Absolutely awesome work. It's very gratifying.